Good morning, Kate Shepherd Scholars.
Today is Friday, October 14th, 2022.
Today's weather. High of 85 degrees, low of 54 degrees, sunny, 4% chance of rain.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated.
Today's breakfast. Muffin, string cheese, fruit choice, juice choice. Today's lunch. Corn dogs, french fries, cookie, fruit choice, and juice choice.
Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. We will have an honor parade on October 20th for students receiving A or AB honor roll and or perfect attendance. Honor roll forms should be placed in Ms. Linscomb's box at this time. Admin will begin phonics first walkthroughs next week for kindergarten through 3rd grade. Remember, this is a district-mandated program that should be fully implemented with fidelity. Your students should know the routines and procedures well by now. Late duty. 11th, Miss Barnes. The 12th, Miss Waller. The 13th, Miss Moeller. And the 14th, Miss Shepard.
Important dates. October 14th, 5th grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th to 21st, book fair. October 17th, statewide parenting day, Red Cross Bloodmobile. October 21st, Kona Ice. October 24th through 28th, Red Ribbon Week. October 24th, faculty meeting. October 27th, Read for the Record. October 28th, Feel Good Friday and Dress Up Book Character Dress Up. November 2nd, no tardy party for students with no tardies or early dismissals during the month of October. November 11th, Veterans Day, no school. November 16th, PACE field trip. November 21st to the 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school.
Today's birthday is Hayden O'Kane. Happy birthday, Hayden.
Send us your questions. You can submit questions to the questions box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a happy Friday.